Hello again, welcome back. This time I'm going to tell you reason 20 for polishing your shoes. You wouldn't have thought there could have been this many reasons, would you? But there are, and more besides. And this one is really about mindfulness, which is a trendy expression that I've heard nowadays. We used to call it something entirely different. When you're doing the same repetitive task over and over, and you're not speaking to a camera or in conversation with anyone or listening to music even, you're just doing this, your mind, the subconscious part of your mind, is set free. While that's happening, you don't know it, but you're solving all sorts of problems in your mind. You're coming up with creative ideas. You might just be sat quietly polishing your shoes and an idea will occur to you that, oh, I think it might be better if I did so and so rather than this, or I've had a new project in mind, I shall try that. And these things come to the surface of your mind when you're not actively engaged in thinking. All you're doing is floating. Some people call it meditation, and I suppose it is a form of meditation, but the more of that you do, I won't say it clears your mind. It probably does. Perhaps it does. It's the same reason you come up with your best ideas in the shower. You're not really thinking about what you're doing. You're just allowing your mind to float freely. And if you do that whilst you're polishing your shoes, you'll come up with some good ideas. Yeah, these are coming up quite nicely now. Right, please, can you see the shine on those? I shan't stop yet though. Well, there was reason 20. Thanks for watching. Come back and see me tomorrow. Reason 21.